Let's learn today how to tune the guitar. It's a pretty integral part of playing the guitar. Playing our tune is really no fun for anybody. So first up, I'd highly recommend a clip-on tuner. They're super easy to use, they're pretty cheap. You can get one for about 20-25 bucks. Snark tuners are quite good. This one is a polytune tuner that is meant to be tuned all the strings at the same time. But because I'm a bit old school, I still kind of tend to tune them one at a time. The first thing you're going to learn to do is how to play a harmonic. So, how we play a harmonic, you see the string here. Now, usually you would just push down, you know, just next to the fret to strike the note, right? But what we're going to do here, you see I'm just lying my finger against the string to play harmonic. So that's really, really good way of tuning the guitar. It's a really pure note, and the tuner will pick it up because it works on vibration. So we hit that. I can see here it's just slightly above D, so I'm going to go to the right tuning peg, not the wrong one, and slide it up. Here goes D sharp, and here comes E. And always tune up into the note. That way the gear will hold on to the note better. It's better than coming back because it can slip into E more easily. So there's our first note. It's an E major. E major. E. I haven't had a cup of coffee yet. So next one is A. It's meant to be A. This is G sharp. So we're going to slowly move that up to A. There you go. So it grabs. There you go. Beautiful. Same again with D. G. Whilst you're at it, learning the notes on the guitar is really helpful. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie is a good way of remembering these things. That's a G. Oh, gosh, it's disgusting. B. And then top one, E. There you go. Phew, that's so much better. So we've got E. A, you can double check them as just open strings. G, B, E. One thing not to get thrown off by is, you see here on my tune, I don't know if that's going to be back to front or whatever, but when you're, if you're in D, you see the little dot here next to the D, that is really D sharp. So just be careful of, just learn how to use your tuner, learn how it talks to you. And you can see here it comes to E. Here's harmonic. See if I can do that in the camera. Wow, next level. Okay. Okay, maybe I should have done A because it looks like an A both ways. Right, so let's do that again. So you can see it says G sharp there, and we hit the harmonic and get into A. It's going to be going the wrong way for me. That's a bit weird. Okay. Okay, great. That's how you tune your guitar really, really quickly. Thanks for watching. For more videos just like this one, subscribe. There's a new one every Saturday morning. Usually I do lessons. If you're interested in getting yourself a Snark tuner, click the link below. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so that would give me a little part of the purchase price. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. And I will see you next time. Cheers. Bye.